Hello friends, welcome back to Tutorial Race. In this video you are learning Elementor. So guys, in last two videos you have learned how to install WordPress and how to use the basic functionalities of Elementor. In the previous video I demonstrated you how to create custom header and footer without Elementor Pro. So guys, in this video I will show you how to convert from PSD means Photoshop or JPG to Elementor. So let's open here Photopea. This is free version of in here. Let's select the template. I will upload this template so that you can practice also. So guys, this is very basic and fundamental template, so I will show you that how you can convert this template into Elementor and WordPress. So what I'll do, let's go to admin and then inside admin let's create one new page. We will name it as a software home and then let's edit with Elementor. So here what we will do, this is basically that whole template which we will convert from using Elementor. We will convert from this PSD file to WordPress. Okay, so here first thing what we need to do, we need to disable these two header. Okay, we don't need this at all. So one thing, let's come to first admin. Inside admin, if you go to Elementor and then settings, inside settings, if you see here there is a feature. Inside feature, then you will see here make it active container. This is the thing, and header footer default inactive. Okay, we don't need this header and footer, that's why these two configuration you need to do. After that let's save changes. Now let's come back to our page here. For the time being let's publish it and try to refresh. Okay, next the task is go to here and then what we need to do, first thing we need to select here Elementor canvas. As soon as you select this, you can see those headings are totally gone. Okay, so that is the first thing you need to do. Next, if you check the design, this is the header section and then menu, and here this is footer. So we will start designing the header, or we can start designing this center section also. So let's start from the header better. This is the header section, so let's start from this. To create the header, in the last video I had demonstrated you that how you can design your totally new header. Now let's start again. So here inside this click on header footer. Now let's create another header called a software header, and then let's select here Elementor canvas as well, then simply publish and then select with this edit with Elementor. Inside this, if you check the design, it has basically three parts: one part, second part, and then third part. Similarly, so that is why what we will do, we'll select here grid and then let's select here this three box. Next we will need to select the logo, but for that we need to create here the logo. But before that, you see this is the color, background color. So what you need to do, just select this and click here, you can see the color, select here and then copy the color. Once this is done, then what you need to do, click here and then select change the background. So from here you can select classic and then video gradient. Okay, let's check this one and here paste the color. So you can see same color successfully has come here. Next task will be to crop this logo. Okay, next if you want, then hide the background. And this white also. Okay, So we will take here transparent background, go to image and then crop and file and then export as PNG, name it as logo. Okay, logo is, because actually of this name, logo name already exists, that's why. Now come to here and then select here what image, drop, and then here select image, go to your upload files, and then this is our logo. Guys, you can see successfully we have placed the logo here. So our next Control Z, and also let's activate this now. The next task is to get this search box. Now here let's see, search box is there. Yeah, search box is there, so any one of these we can select. Now you can see this search box has come here according to this, and here there is a round corner, so you can do that box with icon if you need, then it will display icon, so we don't need icon with the search box. If you need both, then there are 3 options. Basically what we will do, just take input box, and this is the text, whatever text you want to give here, search here, so it will display search here. So now inside style, let's see if there is other option. Okay, border radius, in our case this is rounded corner, so you can select here border radius, and now you can see it has come rounded corner as well. So this is done. Now the next task is to give some padding from top. Okay, but before that let's make the logo smaller. Okay, this is the large logo. Oh, what happened? This is smaller one, so we can select like this. Caption link, it's not required. Alright, so next task is so let's give some padding from top in this one. So in previous one I have demonstrated you that how you can give padding. So from here we will give some padding so that it will come in the center. Okay, so guys, you can see successfully we have, and you keep publishing here, and the next task is to show here social icon. So drag here. Now you can see the social icon has come. You have the option here how you need, auto 2 3 columns how you need. Also apart from that, so the rounded corner, in our case it is rounded as well, but if you need exact icon then you can do like that also. But yes, in this one basically look, okay, so let's do one thing here. We will put here grid. Okay, so there are more grid. Basically we need here columns, how many columns? 1 column we need, and this we require 2 rows, right? Or we can do simply like this also. Let's Control Z, then text editor. Inside here you can put your icons above and phone number below, so you have the option here. You can do some coding also. Okay, let's do this way. Select here and then drop grid. Okay, inside the grid we need only 1 and column 2, right? Okay, now here in the first one let's take here social icon, this one, and if you need more then you can change your icon from here also. Okay, so for the time being I'm taking here the WordPress only, but if you need the exact one then you can do that one also. Next is rounded, and then okay, so all these are here. Style, size, row gap not required, spacing, how much spacing you need with each other, and advanced. So all these are for the time being not required. Let's come back to here. So these are circle. So in our design basically this is circle. So Facebook, Twitter and all that it has. Now here what we need to do, phone number we need, na? According to our design, this phone number is required here. So click here and then drag a text editor. Okay, so now we have done this. Next you can change the color as well. Alright, so now make it center aligned, go to style and then center aligned, so both will be in the same line. One thing, the icon is very large, no? You can put here size also. Okay, so now it is better as compared to this. You can change this one also if you want to change this icon. Regarding this icon here, this is WordPress, na? You have to click here and then you will upload your icon from here, or there is other icons also, icon library. We can select, this is the Twitter one, na? So Twitter is missing, Twitter must be there, and rounded one, if it is, then it is better. So let's take this one only, insert. So now guys, you can see, oh, Twitter was already there, Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. What else is missing? WhatsApp. So here better select here WhatsApp. Okay, so it's done now. Alright, let's publish, and now you can see there is some gap, na, in this one. So what I'll do, the main parent, which one? This is our main grid. Here it is full width fine, minimum height not required, outline. Here you put gap 0. Now you can see it has come at perfect place. Here also 0, right? Now it is perfect, center aligned. This one is center aligned as well. So now everything is center aligned perfectly. Now publish. So guys, our header is now ready as per our design. Now we will work on menu also, no? So let's create menu also, plus sign, and then here grid, this one row, and then here main menu navigation. This one will take, or navigation we have taken this. Now let's drag it to bottom. So now after that it will be there. Apart from that, in the previous video I have displayed you that you can do like this also. If you want to this grid inside this, then it will come there. If you want to outside, then of course we need this outside. Okay, Control Z. What happened? This grid we need outside, no? It's not going outside. Okay, this is the main grid. Inside this we have this inner grid, and second grid is inside this. In case you have problem, then you can delete, and then let's take another grid once again. Here grid is this, and then what? Menu. So main navigation menu, we need to take this one. Here also. So we will create menu, then it will display here. Okay, we will see that later. And of course this will be below this here. Now it's fine. Okay, our header is for the time being ready. Now let's close it and start building the footer. Okay, come back to here and then Elementor. So header is ready. Now a subtext footer, we will create footer. A subtext footer. Okay, again Elementor canvas, click publish, and then click this one, so that it will open in Elementor. Now again fine. Now the same process we will have to follow here as well. So let's check here, let's check footer how it is. This footer has three columns, no? First column, second column, third column. Similarly, we will create here 3 columns. Let's go to here and then grid these 3 columns. So now it is fine. In the first column, what is there? In the first column there is about us. So let's come back to here, click here, and then let's put here text editor, here about us, and then select this style and then center, content again, center, okay, about, and then paragraph. Okay, so let's make it heading 2. Okay, after this, whatever is text written there, they can take from here, go to here, copy, lorem ipsum, nothing special about this. So let's put it here. Now you can see this about us. If you want to stylize, means if you want to put any color in this one, then what you can do here, this is for complete this text one, you can put it black, but this will not be individual, it will be on all. Now if you want to go here, then you will have to put some class. Okay, you can use your styling. For example, you can use here div for this one, and here also close div, and then class, here some class, about, heading. Similarly, you can put some text here, so it will be about text. You can create class and you can stylize it. That's it. I'm not going to show you here styling. So this way you can customize, right, with using your class. Next, this about is done. Next one is what? According to design, this is services and all that. So similarly, we can just copy from here and then paste here as well. Go to text editor, select here, just paste here, and this is services. And one more thing, here also you can put your style, means class, and you can make it center. Okay, and of course menus here, whatever menu is there, you can create menu as well. Home, about, services, like home, about, services, like that. So this is done. You can control this with styling. Now the next is here. Next here you can see this is newsletter and then text box. This is basically very basic. Okay, so here we will write here news. With styling you can do a lot. Here you can write input type text, and then that's it. Name, etc. You can provide later, but this newsletter is fine. But one thing what we have missed here, the design, the color. So it will not work full width, and also here we will put gap 0 also, so that there will be no gap unnecessary. There was padding, no, so gap will be 0. This is important. Next, and so all these are done. Yeah, background color we were talking about. So go to styling and then classic. You can put image also and color. So we are changing color. How we will take the color? Just like previous example I had demonstrated you. Take this, copy the color, and then next go to and paste here. That's it. Now you can see the color is perfect here. Same way you go here style and then take black color rather than that. Similarly this color will be also styling and then black. That's it. Okay, so all are done now. Publish. So now guys, our header and footer 2 are complete. Okay, click it and it's now finished. Next will be, okay, we will talk about this menu later. Let's talk about this. So we need here two columns basically, right? This column and this column, about and wires. Come back to here, ready to go. Okay, now let's come to the center point. Click here and theme builder, we are not going there. I will show you this in Elementor Pro. Okay, for here, let's come back to home page, all pages, and then is Softec home, na? Elementor. Alright, say Elementor header is already there. This is center section. So in center, basically what we need. Basically this is after menu. So there are two, na? Two options. So we will take here two options. This one, na? Alright. And here once again one. So that because we need one. In the first section you can see there is heading, image and text, right? So what we will do, let's take it. Here you can put here heading. What is the heading? Heading is about us. So about us. Remember here you need to apply CSS class, okay, because we, as you can see, there is no option of styling here. So this about us means individual going to the code, you will have to use your classes here so that exactly you can get something like this. But let me show you in this case, one case, then you can understand other also. What I'll do, let's go to here and then div, let's close div here. Okay, let's name it as class home header. Okay, class home header. Now what you need to do is publish it for the timing. Let's go to CSS. Okay, here insert appearance, simple CSS. Right here you need to go to appearance and then customize. Inside customize you will see here additional CSS. Here you can write the class. So home header dot home header and then color. What color is this? You can select from here. This is the color. Copy it from here and then where is it here? Simple CSS, na? Here hash will be there. Alright, and then we will see what is the font size. So publish and then publish this as well. Refresh. Yeah, you can see the color has come according to the design. This is the font size is more, right? Now what we can do, let's go to here and font size around 20 px. Let's see how much is the font size there. Okay, so this is about us text. Okay, if according to your design there is an image, what you will do, you cut this image from here, image and then crop, file, export as PNG, JPG, whatever format you want. I'll name it as about home banner. Save it, go to here and then add media, file, about home banner. This is done. Insert. Guys, you can see this has come successfully. Go to code and then image has started from here. Cut it, paste outside so that it will come after this. After this there is some text, so let's take paragraph and then p close. Let's write something, the text whatever is written there in our design. Control Z, go to here, and this is the text of about us. Simple, there is nothing special about this, just copy and paste here. Now the text color of this one is also different, so you can write here. Basically what you need to do, you can create here one complete box. Okay, div, and then remember basic CSS and HTML knowledge is must. You can name it as home box class, home box. Okay, and in CSS going there we can write here home box and then dot home box p. Okay, so color will be of same color, means this color, right? Publish it and check. Right, so guys, you can see perfectly it has come, right? Next one is according to our design, this is y-as. Okay, now let's go to this y-as. So what you can do, basically we will just copy the whole thing, copy from here and just paste here as well. Okay, just name it as y-as, and then text whatever there is different. You can select the image, make it bigger if you want. For example, this larger image, this image will come larger as compared to the previous one. Okay, so it's very large actually. Or customize, you can give here custom size also. Like this. Okay, so now our this about us and y-as is also ready. Next, and one more thing here also, you just go to here and then put here gap 0. Okay, so that there will be no gap between these. Next, let's publish it, and then this is our courses. How we will do this? Just after this you create a box, or oh, what happened? Control Y, you can do just like other things. So this box, and then here inside this box we have one. So let's select any one of these 3, for example 1 2 3 4 boxes we have now. You can do also like this. Let me show you. After this, select this, take this complete one, and then here you can take the heading, or what is this? This is a button, no? You can take the button also. This button you can put here. Here style, go to there, center, and then change the color to the blue, because in our case perhaps we'll have to, if you need exact color, then you have to once again go here, pick up, and then this is the exact color you can select here. Go to this, next, and then paste here. You will see this is the exact color here. And if you want to increase its size, so that is also possible. Go to here, and in the content itself default success warning danger. Let's skip that. And inside style, is there option to increase its width, border style, font. Okay, what we need basically, we need some padding. Okay, here. So how we need padding? Padding we need left and right. So here padding left inside the text itself 0, actually it's going that side. Okay, 100% button. Okay, so here is padding basically of this button. Okay, so we need padding left 50 px and 50 or 40, let's put it 40, and the right side also 40. Okay, so basically this now is done, and somewhere I think had we taken column gap, let's see. Inside the whole box, why there is 2 rows? We need only one. Oh, another row we need for that one. Okay, gap, let's put it 0. So this is button, make it center, means padding top. Go to here, padding top, put in the middle size, and then next what is there after this? Okay, there is more gap actually, so you can adjust that. Then after that there are 4 boxes, right? It's very easy, you have already done this. Grid, put it here. How many boxes you need? 4 na? In this one we need only 1, and put here 4 boxes, 4. Guys, as you can see, it is really very easy. Now just you need to crop the image. This is for learning purpose, but at least this way you will understand the tool. Okay, that how you can use tool. After that slowly you can try some more complex examples. So I'll just name it as image 1. Go to here, image, drag image here, then go here, upload, done. What we'll do, just copy paste here as well. For the timing I'm just selecting, but you can select different image. I'm selecting the same image. That's it. So guys, you can see this is done, and finally we need to call here the footer. Go to shortcode, not divider, shortcode, drag here. Now go to your header. Okay, header footer. So S of tech footer, this one is, just copy this and put here the footer, right? Apply. So now the footer is show. Why footer is not displaying? This is our footer, right? Okay, there was nothing in footer. Oh, somehow actually didn't get saved, na? That is why. I think mistakenly we didn't save, that's why it's not displaying. For the timing, let's just take this one. Okay, now you can see this footer, actually we had created footer but somehow we forgot to publish, that is why in between you need to publish that. Okay, so guys, you can see, and why there is so much gap here. Oh, padding, somehow mistakenly we put so much. No, but the padding between this one. So guys, there is problem. You can see why, because this grid is taking more space, so equal space is taking here also. If you want to overcome this problem, then what you need to do, click here this 6 box. Okay, and then here you can see there is grid, you take here flex box, so automatically it will adjust the spacing. This, if it is required, it will take more space. If it is required less space, it will take less space. So this way you can adjust here also. Automatically it is adjusting as per the requirement. So guys, you can see this is very basic, but step by step I have demonstrated you that how you can create header, how you can create center part, how you can create footer, and how you can completely now create the whole home page. So hope you like this video. In case you are new in my channel, then I strongly recommend you to please subscribe. Also like this, and if you have any query question, we don't forget to ask the question in comment box. Thank you.